Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Regional Real Estate Board's Chief Market Analyst. First off, I want to start by saying I hope that all of you and your families and friends are staying safe and healthy. We're truly going through an unprecedented time, which has impacted all facets of our regular daily life and the economy, including how the housing market functions. This was clear from the numbers we recently released for March 2020. The month taken as a whole pointed to continued strong demand for ownership housing, with sales up by 12.3% year over year to 8,012. However, there was a clear break in market activity between the pre-COVID-19 and post-COVID-19 periods. For the purpose of this update, we're assuming that the start of the post-COVID-19 period was the week beginning Sunday, March 15th. With this in mind, the overall March sales result was clearly driven by the first 2 weeks of the month. There were 4,643 sales reported in the pre-COVID-19 period, accounting for 58% of total transactions and representing a 49% increase compared to the first 14 days of March 2019. In contrast, there were 3,369 sales reported during the post-COVID period, down by 15.9% compared to the same period in March 2019. A similar story unfolded for new listings. For March as a whole, new listings were up by 3% year over year to 14,424. However, new listings dropped on a year over year basis during the second half of the month by 18.4%. Clearly, uncertainty surrounding the outbreak's impact on the broader economy and the onset of the necessary social distancing measures resulted in the decline in sales and listings since March 15th. Despite sales and listings trending lower in the second half of March, demand for ownership housing remained strong enough relative to listings to see the average selling price remain above last year's levels, including during the last few days of March. The MLS Home Price Index Composite Benchmark Price was up by 11.1% year over year in March 2020. The average selling price for March 2020 as a whole was $902,680, up by 14.5% compared to March 2019. The average selling price for sales reported between March 15th and March 31st was $862,563, down from the first half of March 2020, but still up by 10.5% compared to the same period last year. As we move through April, we will have a clearer view on how social distancing measures and broader economic conditions will influence sales and ultimately the pace of price growth. So that is a summary of market conditions in March and some initial thoughts on the post-COVID-19 period. Please stay tuned for additional updates. Again, I hope all of you and your friends and families stay well and healthy as we make it through this tough period of time together. Thank you very much.